think everybody in America was sitting like this, waiting for
her to freak out.
Yeah, I love her. I was like, why is she so like calm?
Yeah, it bothered me. She was so so she was so good, by the way. Can we please talk about the fact that her vocal was really good, really good.
One of the best of the night.
Yeah, amazing control. But listen, as much as everybody says, you know, I hate Tatiana or whatever, she shouldn't be there. She's amazing television, and I was sitting there wanting her to freak out.
Me too.
Be Tatiana.
I wanted her to like throw a heel at Simon or something, and it didn't even work. I was just like, why is she so quiet? What's going
cry
on?
or scream or.
I know.
But I think it made it all that much more creepy. The fact that she was so like, you could see it like boiling below the surface.
Yeah.
Right?
Like, I always act like this.
I'm fine. My friends don't even know where my laugh comes from. Very scary.
Anyway. But yeah, I mean, if Tatiana's going to be on the show, I do want the initial Tatiana that we got to know.
Right.
Not the one that's.
She'll probably come back to the wild card, yes.
Right.
Hopefully she won't come back to two. Well, next up, Jackie Tohn gave a nod to Elvis with a little less conversation, which Randy thought was a great way to kick off the season, while Simon said it made her the class clown of the night. Who authorized the pants and the high tops?
I love the pants. I don't know about the high tops, but I love the pants. I have the pants. I own the pants. I wear the pants. I need the pants. Love the pants.
Yeah.
Danny likes them.
What'd you think of her performance, Dan?
It was surprising. I thought she was gonna be like with the guitar all cute and stuff. That was intense. I don't know. I don't really know what to say. It wasn't the one that I really liked.
She can sing. It's just I don't think that was the greatest song choice for her.
Bad song choice.
We're gonna talk about song choice later on in the show, but I mean, it just was kind of gimmicky, don't you think?
Yeah, because she's good. I really like her, and I know a lot of people that I've discussed American Idol with have mentioned her. You know, she's been one of the early favorites, and so I was surprised. You know, but it does always hurt to go first too.
Without
so I at least thought she was entertaining for going first. You know.
And I think, speaking of first, I mean this first week of American Idol, the top 12 has been riddled with so many technical problems and whatnot. And then
I was the first one up in the top 12 my season. I mean, in the top 24, whatever it was. We did the groups. Anyways, that was the first one.
But I mean, it's almost like Idol's kind of refinding itself this season. It's really interesting. Just my thoughts. That's all.
Don't go anywhere. We've got more of this week's highlights to discuss.
Also on deck, the surprising singers who didn't make the cut. Do they have wild card potential? We'll weigh in after this.
But I don't think you have at the moment any star quality.
Oh, no.